Welcome back. This video I'm going to show you how to pin and unpin post on Instagram app. Let's jump right in. First thing first, take your phone, open the Instagram app. After this page is open, look at the bottom right corner, click on your profile icon. You can open the profile page. Here you can see all of the posts listed there. Simply find the exact post if you want to pin them. For example, I am pinned this post, so tap on it to open them. After the post is open, tap on the two-line menu icon. After that, you can see various options. Scroll down to the page. Here, find the pin your main grid button and click on them. And wait to complete the process. And that's it. You have successfully pinned the post. To check it work, back to the profile page and see the post is at the very first and the pin icon also appear this post. Keep in mind, if you decide to remove the pin, this means unpin the post again. Don't worry. Simply open the post. After that, tap on the two-line menu button, scroll down to very bottom, find the unpin from main grid option, tap on it and wait to updating the process. And that's it. Your post has been unpinned. You have done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.